This is a quick version of Eggs Benedict you can do at home with stuff that you already have in your refrigerator. Soft, fry a couple of eggs and cook them very slow on low heat. You don't want them to cook the yolk. Separate two other yolks from the white. I went ahead and cooked it. Put them in a small blender, and then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of very hot melted butter. While the butter's melting, add a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of brown mustard if you have it, salt and pepper to taste, and just a pinch of cayenne. Blend that up for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then add the melted butter and make sure it's hot and bubbly. And just pour it in there and blend it all up, and it'll emulsify it and then be kind of thick. And then just set it aside. Toast your English muffin in a toaster and get it good and toasted. You'll butter the side that you're going to put the food on. So English muffin, butter, and then here's your choice. You can put ham, you can put smoked salmon, you can put crab, you can put bacon, and then your poached egg, which in this case is going to be a very soft fried egg. You can also put spinach, several things, other things you can put underneath there. And then your egg on top, and then pour the hollandaise sauce over it. And I had tater tots cooking in the air fryer while I was cooking all of this. And put them on the side and just put some ketchup with some hot sauce on it. And that was it. Super simple and very delicious. This simple recipe turned out great and was easy, and it was enough for 2 people. The 2 eggs made enough hollandaise sauce for 2 English muffins with egg and whatever else you want on them.